fringe pouch. And look at this. We even have a matching vest to go with that cute little outfit. She's ready to go to a birthday party. A biker birthday party. And here we have a matching vest with the fringe top. This particular vest is custom flamed with white leather inserts. All outfits, either they be chaps, skirt, vest, can have any insert of any style, any design, any color you wish. And here, all in white, we have our little bling bling halter top with matching chaps.